Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see about a premium Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Spacewalker launcher application from the Play Store first. So this is a beautiful space themed launcher. You can get this exact super gradient setup on the top. You can find the weather with date and calendar and weather widget, followed by a super wallpaper and with a super glowing and colorful icon pack. So this is a unique icon pack. You can find the Google search widget on the bottom section, and you can get this in the second page. You can find a beautiful colorful icon pack which is have a unique design, and which is a perfect sync with the wallpaper. It's so beautiful, colorful, and a minimal looked theme setup for this launcher. And you can get this exact setup by click on the setting option, go to the theme section, just swipe down, and you can find this theme on the theme number 12. Just apply the theme. You can get the exact theme setup, and you have other more options like font size and hide application, extra features of the applications like weather report and everything in the launcher setting. And in the app drawer you can find all the application which is so colorful, followed by the same colorful icon pack. I think if you just need a minimal look, just try this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.